The Pure Prescriptions Bundle and Save feature is very simple. The more you add to your cart, the more you save. So let's take a look at how it works. Over here on the right hand side, you'll see that we can save up to 20% off and then unlock a free product. So I'll go ahead and add some items to my bundle. So you see now I'm getting 10% off my order. I'll go ahead and add some more items. Now I've unlocked 15% off my total order. Now I've unlocked 20% off my total order. And then an additional item, I've unlocked 20% off the entire product bundle plus a free 7-day pack of New Greens. We've created some jumping off points for you to help simplify the process. So I can simply click this link here, and that's going to automatically fill up my bundle with the supplement essentials that everyone needs. So we've got our daily multi, we've got our magnesium, New Greens, collagen, zinc, plus our free New Greens 7-day trial pack, in addition to 20% off the entire bundle. So that's an easy way to fill up your bundle with your health essentials. Just simply click this link over here. Now let's take a look at some of the bundle categories. We've got foundational health, which includes our daily essentials. We've got optimal health products. These are designed to enhance your overall vitality and well-being. And then we've got our specialty products, which are targeted more towards specific health needs that you may have. And then, of course, over here on the left, you can shop all products. Adding and removing products from your bundle is simple. All you do is just hit the plus sign under the product that you'd like to get, and then that will add it to your bundle. If you'd like to get more than one of the same product, you would just hit the plus sign again. Now I've added 2 daily multi to my bundle. If I change my mind and you just want to get one, I would then hit the minus sign. And then, of course, over on the right hand side, within your bundle itself, you can also manage the products. If I change my mind, then just simply hit this icon in order to remove the product. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up my bundle so that I get the full savings and the free product. And then the last thing you want to do is just make sure to hit that add to cart button when you're ready to check out. As always, if you have any questions about using the bundle and save feature or anything else, just reach out to us. We're here to help. We're a family owned and operated business, and we really appreciate customers like you. Have a great day.